Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're sharing the top 5 best food processors that will make meal prep easier, faster, and more efficient. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. BALASHOV Heavy Duty Food Processor. The BALASHOV Heavy Duty Food Processor, a powerful kitchen appliance designed to make meal prep quicker and easier than ever before. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or even mincing meat, this food processor does it all with ease. Powered by a 2,000-watt motor, the BALASHOV Heavy Duty Food Processor is engineered to crush through whole fruits, vegetables, and ice in just seconds. This heavy-duty blender provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction, ensuring you enjoy tasty and nutritious beverages with every blend. Built for durability, the BP, a free blending jar, is designed to last. With an easy-to-hold handle and a BP, a free lid, you can blend with confidence. The base of the blender is equipped with anti-slip suction feet, offering stability and safety while using the processor on your countertop. The hardened stainless steel blades are crafted to handle the toughest ingredients. From the first blend to the last, you can trust that the BALASHOV Heavy Duty Food Processor will deliver consistent, high-quality results every time. Cleaning your blender has never been easier. Thanks to its automatic cleaning function, simply add clean water, press the switch, and let the machine do the work. In just 30 to 60 seconds, your blender is clean and ready for the next task. The BALASHOV Heavy Duty Food Processor is a true multitasker. From mincing meat and grinding spices to making fresh juices, it offers multiple speeds and settings to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks. Number 4. VEVOR Food Processor. The VEVOR Food Processor, a kitchen essential that combines power, efficiency, and safety to handle all your food processing needs. With its 9-cup large capacity, the VEVOR Food Processor is perfect for large families, making food preparation quicker and easier. Whether you're chopping, slicing, shredding, or pureeing, this food processor can do it all in seconds. The VEVOR Food Processor comes with a total of 10 tool sets, including 7 combinational blades, a stainless steel S-shaped blade, a plastic S-shaped blade, and a scraper. This wide range of tools allows you to effortlessly chop, shred, slice, knead dough, and even make milkshakes and sauces. Powered by a 600-watt motor, this food processor features 2 adjustable speed settings and a pulse function. It's designed to handle various textures and ingredients with ease, so you can quickly prepare everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and dough. Safety is a top priority. The VEVOR Food Processor is equipped with a double lock mechanism, ensuring that the machine will not operate unless both locks are securely fastened. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you and your family are safe while using it. The VEVOR Food Processor is not only efficient, but it's also designed for convenience. The built-in drawer allows for neat storage of your blades and accessories, and the BPA-free food-grade materials ensure that all parts that come in contact with food are safe to use. With its large capacity, multifunctional capabilities, and easy storage, the VEVOR Food Processor is the perfect tool to make your kitchen tasks easier and more enjoyable. Number 3. BioloMix 3-in-1 Multifunctional Food Processor. The BioloMix 3-in-1 Multifunctional Food Processor, a blender, food chopper, and grinder all in one. With its sleek design and powerful features, this kitchen companion will make meal prep faster and easier than ever before. The BioloMix 3-in-1 Multifunctional Food Processor includes a 600 milliliter blender bottle, a 1200 milliliter chopper bowl, and a 100 milliliter grinder cup, providing you with everything you need to tackle a wide variety of tasks. Whether you're making a smoothie, chopping vegetables, or grinding spices, this machine is ready to take on any challenge. Powered by a robust 700-watt motor, the BioloMix food processor delivers exceptional performance, reaching speeds of up to 24,000 revolutions per minute. Equipped with 4 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, it can easily chop food and crush ice cubes, allowing you to create smooth, delicious blends in seconds. Using the BioloMix 3-in-1 food processor is simple and hassle-free. The machine is made from BP, a free, food-grade plastic, ensuring safety and durability. It's quick to assemble, and in just a few minutes, you'll be ready to blend, chop, or grind with ease. After use, cleaning is a breeze. The blender bottle, chopper jug, and grinding cup are all removable and can be washed easily with clean water except for the motor, of course. For those on the go, the 600 milliliter BP free bottle is perfect for carrying your favorite juices, shakes, or smoothies. Its silicone sealing ring prevents leaks, while the ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry during outdoor activities like cycling, camping, or jogging. Number 2. BioloMix 3 HP Heavy-Duty Food Processor. This isn't just any food processor. With a maximum power of 2200 watts and 3 peak horsepower, the BioloMix can handle any task you throw at it. From smoothies and frozen desserts to soups and nut butters, it's designed to tackle it all. The secret to its power lies in its hardened Japan stainless steel 6-wave action blades, which can reach speeds of up to 30,000 rotations per minute. That means faster ice crushing and smoother blends every time. The BioloMix features variable speed control, giving you complete control over the texture of your recipes. Whether you're making a chunky salsa or a silky smoothie, you can customize your blend with ease. Plus, the pulse function adds even more flexibility. And if you're busy with other tasks, don't worry about monitoring your blender. With the built-in timer, you can set it for 1 to 5 minutes, and the machine will automatically stop once your chosen time is reached. Perfect for those who like to multitask. From ice crushing, smoothies, and juices to making hot soups, sauces, and even hummus, the BioloMix does it all. It can mince ice in just 10 seconds without adding extra water, making it ideal for cocktails or frozen treats. Safety is also a top priority. The BioloMix is equipped with a powerful cooling system, overheating motor protection, and an overload reset switch, ensuring your machine runs smoothly every time. Number 1. Ninja B L770 Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja B L770 is equipped with an impressive 1500-watt motor, providing professional-grade performance. That's enough power to handle everything from blending to food processing, even making dough. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is designed to pulverize ice and frozen fruit into snow in seconds. Whether you're making creamy frozen drinks or smoothies, this pitcher delivers smooth, consistent results every time. And if you're on the go, the Ninja B L770 comes with 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups, with convenient to-go lids. These cups are perfect for creating personalized, nutrient-rich drinks that you can take with you wherever you go. For food processing, the 8-cup processor bowl makes chopping and mixing a breeze. The included chopping blade provides perfect, even results, and the dough blade can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. That's perfect for making pizza dough, bread, and so much more. The Ninja B L770 comes with specialized blades for every recipe. The stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, the dough blade and chopping blade for the processor, and the Nutri-Ninja blades for the single-serve cups make this an all-in-one kitchen system, and cleanup is just as easy as the performance. All parts are dishwasher safe, including the pitcher, cups, and blades, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time cleaning up. And there you have it, our top 5 best food processors for 2025. Whether you're a cooking pro or just starting out, These food processors will transform your kitchen experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.